I told you there's more to June 23rd than you think. Today is a day of fascinating celebrations. First up, it's Pink Flamingo Day. Next, we have National Typewriter Day. Also, it's National Pink Day. Yes, really. It's also International Widows Day, bringing awareness to widow support. Engineering takes the spotlight with International Women in Engineering Day. Don't forget to keep hydrated. It's National Hydration Day. Feeling stressed? It's Let It Go Day. Time to release some tension. Lastly, we celebrate the Olympic spirit with International Olympic Day. Like what you see? Hit the like button and subscribe for more fun facts.